Hello, Global Goals reporters. To figure out what your in the media assignment is and how to do it, you will be in your classwork tab. You will scroll down until you hit the topic of Global Goals. You will click on the assignment that says in the media. So now we're in the assignment. So you are going to look at the in the media document for directions. This document right here, they are all there. It goes into much more detail. You are turning in your kind of final product is a set of notes and citations. You are turning that in on Google Classroom. If you do it digitally, you are turning it into this assignment. If you do it on paper, you're going to hit mark as done and put a comment in the assignment that says done on paper. So to look at this is the in the media document. Your learning targets are right here, so I can find information on a topic from multiple sources and use it to learn more. I can take notes on a source and cite it. So both parts of that, gathering information, understanding it, and synthesizing. Your task. You are going to pick an article to read about or related to the United Nations Global Goals for Sustainable Development. There is a text set provided in Google Classroom for this. It is right here. So you will open that up, read through the directions, use the tools in this document to help you. Articles are linked right here. You're going to pick one article. You only need to start with reading one. The text set is also linked right here if that is going to be easier for you. Step 2. Take or read and take notes or annotate the article. To annotate is to take notes on something. If you have hung out with Ms. Holt at all, you will know that. You can do this digitally or paper. There is a digital copy of the graphic organizer provided on Google Classroom. There are also paper copies. I only have one version of the digital graphic organizer right here. So Global Goals Graphic Organizer. I have multiple different types of paper graphic organizers. Watch this video that's linked right here about taking notes if you need a refresher on doing so. If you are struggling with taking notes, or you are not doing it, or you don't actually turn in notes, I will make you go back and watch this video, because if you aren't really taking notes, then you need a refresher, and that is completely fine. The video is also linked right here, Taking Notes Crash Course. It's 8 minutes. If you do a paper copy of your notes, you're going to tape them into your notebook. I will have an example one up on the front. Step 3, after reading and taking notes, you are going to cite your source. That means you're going to tell me which article you read. You worked really hard. You read it. You took notes on it. You started to understand some information. Make sure that you give yourself, your new knowledge, and where you learned that stuff from, the credit. So kind of 3 things that all are really deserving of credit. That's what citing our sources is. It's being like, hey, I worked really hard to learn this. I understand it now, and this is where I learned it from. You can use EasyBib, which is linked right here. So the link to the website EasyBib, it is also linked right here on Google Classroom. And there is also a tutorial video to show you how to use EasyBib if you have not done that. And the video is also linked right here. You can also choose to do this independently, so kind of gathering information on your own and piecing it together and putting it in the right format. EasyBib does it for you. I would maybe recommend doing that, but I can't tell you what to do. If you do it independently, there is a citations document to help guide you through the process. So it is linked right here. It is also linked right here in Google Classroom. I also have paper copies of this. So recap, cite your sources. A couple different ways to do it. Step 4, turn in your notes and citations on Google Classroom. Digital, turn it in. Paper, mark as done. Put a comment that says done on paper. So this is your Global Goals in the media assignment. The idea is to keep building some background information on the global goals, which will help us And so background information, practice taking notes, practice citing sources, because that's going to lead us directly into our Global Goals Jigsaw, which is the next assignment, and it is a summative, and you are going to be using all of those skills to teach us about a global goal. So this is a pretty important step in getting to be able to do that.